A is for air. And everything needs air to live.
D is for difference. You need a variety of food to stay healthy.
And A is for liveness. Compost critters help turn scraps into soil. M is for moisture. It needs moisture to live. Composting is easy with Adam. When we're making the compost, the first thing we did was find a shady spot. First we find a shady spot. Find a shady spot. Then get different foods for our compost.
Get different foods for your compost.
To encourage aliveness, add green and alive that green and brown food. Green fruits are fresh.
Veg scraps.
Like fruit, vegetable and garden scraps.
Veg and garden waste.
Brown foods are dried.
And brown foods are dried.
Like straw, grass and newspaper.
Like straw.
Grass and newspaper.
Cardboard. Add twice as much brown as green.
Twice as much brown as green.
First add small twigs.
Add small
twigs.
And then add your compost in layers.
Then add your compost in layers.
Every few weeks, feed, water, and turn your compost.
And feed your compost.
Into 8 to 10 weeks, it will become 8 to 10 weeks, it will be soiled. Then put it in your garden and start again.
If your compost has more flies, add newspaper.
If your compost is too dry, add more water to help it to turn into soil.
If your compost is smelly, add more brown. Add twice as much brown as green. Put it in your garden and then you'll start again.
Then put it into the garden. Start again. Is the camera on?